What's going on, everybody? I just want to say first, before we get to the rest of the video, it's gonna be real quick and short. Not all the way happy with the results that my buddy's car put on the dyno, but it's like I told him, you can't really rely on the true the dyno number that you're gonna get. But if the car is happy and you know the car is up and moving, that dyno it really doesn't really matter at this point. In his case, the car was performing really well. There was no faults with it. It never really pulled out power at any point, as you can see on the graph. But not the exact number we wanted, but that car does get up and move really well compared to what it did before. So he's happy with it. And keep in mind, it is on pump gas. And next thing you know, he may go ahead and put a set of long tubes of Gt350 into it to really wake it up a lot more. And then we'll probably try a different dyno later. But check it out. Here we are, a dyno proven. I got the 350 manifold swap on the car. This is a 16 auto GT with 315 gears, and it's on 93 pump gas. So no headers. Literally the only thing that thing has is a 350 manifold, 350 cold air, 350 throttle body, and a tune for pump gas.
The horsepower hasn't stopped yet.
All right, let's do it.
So you just want me to talk about the graph? Or can you,
Yeah, with the Holly, the difference between the Holly and what we did.
We got 7,600 is the peak. But if we would have went with a Holly, it would have tapered off a lot earlier. Probably would have tapered off if we were like at 64, 6,500. So even through this being an auto on pump gas, on this dyno only made 384, but on E85 and some better weather, it's only up from there. So it's not bad for an auto and for a 350 manifold on a car, for nothing else done to it. And you don't even have headers yet. So like I said, this is a good base to start, and you already feel a big difference in the car. So turbos are next. Let me know when you get warm. too, you are on drag radials. So the drag radials will sometimes...
Very consistent.
Yeah, it's pretty consistent. The drag radials sometimes take up a little bit of power too. So if you were on a street tire, you're probably dyno 390, maybe close to 400. So to do that on a radial, I think it's pretty good. With no headers, no 85, no nothing. So it's gonna go up from here.